welcome back to my channel. If you see my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Mercy. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, and everything in between. If you like what you see here, please don't make it your last by clicking on that subscribe button, okay? Please like, comment, and share my videos. Please join the family. I'll be glad to have you here. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing. I got a wig from Luvme Hair and I just wanted to unbox it with you guys and also try it on with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The wig came in through DHL and the name of the unit that I got is the Realistic Yaki Straight Bob Wig with bangs. It is also a minimalist undetectable lace wig. I'm going to leave the name of the wig in the description box and possibly the link to the wig as well. Can you guys see how cute the packaging is? Like, I love it. I love the color. Look at that. Purple. I love it. I love everything about it. It's screaming luxury. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it in this position because I think this is going to be the most convenient way for me to do it. I'm not gonna unravel this because it's too cute to unravel, so I'm just gonna shift this to the side and move this to the side. It's important that I let you all know that this video is not sponsored. I bought the wig with my money. So once you open the box, okay, so I got a $5 gift card, and then it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Alina, the founder of Luvme Hair. So here's the wig, but we're gonna come back to that. We're gonna go through some of the things, some of the gifts that is in this box. So you get a pouch. You get a pouch, and then inside the pouch, so I got this cute little thingy. Let's see what it is. I think it's a mirror. Yeah, that's what it is.
Wanna make it last, try to let go of the past. I close my
Yay! It's a mirror. Can you guys see that? And it says love me at the back. So that, what else is in there?
if there's something that'll give.
So you get a satin scarf as well. I think this is for you to lay your frontals. Yeah, it says Luvme Hair, affordable luxury wig. So the next thing here is you get this baby hair edge comb. It also comes with a wig cap. And then you have your hair care instruction, your user's guide. And this just tells you how to care for your wig, basically. So yeah, that's that about the little gifts. You also get a wig bag to store your wig. How cute is that? Love it. Now to the main star of the show. I'm so excited for this wig. I got this wig because I wanted something that's very quick and easy to put on. I just want to grab the wig, put it on, and I'm out the door. I don't want anything stressing me. Yeah, that's why I got this wig. And can you guys see? Can you guys see that? Like I said, I got the bob wig because I wanted something quick, fast, and easy. I just wanted to be able to grab it, put it on, and I'm out the door. Let me show you guys the bounce. Can you see how bouncy that is? Love it. Love it. And that's the front. That's the front part. It is so soft. And I'm going to put the name of this particular unit on the screen and in the description box and also in the title as well, because I can't remember the name. I can't remember the name of this unit. And I'm just going to show you guys the inside of the wig. So it comes with 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. And then an elastic band for adjustment. You guys see that? Beautiful, very neat as well. I'm going to try this on and see what it looks like. But if I lay down and I play, I'm contemplating whether to use wig cap or not. Let me use it. Out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares. Right. I don't know if I showed you guys. It also has this little clip for adjustment. And
will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Okay. Okay. Trust the process. Where's my comb? Trust the process, okay? Let's not panic. Let's not freak out.
Do got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Hey, Jesus. Hold on. In anything you do in this life, you have to trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Okay, so I don't think I mentioned that it's a bob wig with bangs. Yeah. But what's going on though? It's gonna come together, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry. Where's my mirror?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand.
Hey.
And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. See,
Maybe bangs are not my thing. Maybe I should have just bought a bob wig without the bangs. Because what is going on here?
all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid, when I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
You guys see that it's coming together? It's all coming together.
Just what you want with you.
Maybe I didn't lay my hair flat enough. I think I need to have cornrows to have this wig on. Maybe my hair is not flat enough. I think that's what it is. But overall, I actually like it. But I would have loved it more without the bangs, to be honest.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay,
It's not bad though. It's not bad. Let me who?
think you're something out of my nightmares. See me.
What do you guys think? No, it's not for me. But it's cute though, but it's not for me. But we're gonna wear it like that. I feel like the bob by itself would have been perfect. The bob by itself would have been perfect, but not with the bangs. I thought I could pull it off. This is me trying to make this work. Baby, it's the bounce for me.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
I'm still gonna wear it though. Love the bob, but maybe not the bangs. No. The bob, yes. The bangs, not for me. But if you think bangs suit you, then go for this wig. Because it feels soft. I love it. And it's bouncy. I'm going to rock it regardless. Maybe when I have my hair in cornrows and then my red lipstick on, it's gonna come together. Please let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section. Do you guys like it? Do you think it's something you would rock or you would wear? Please let me know down below in the comment section, okay?
The same way, gotta build.
I think the hair is actually good quality. It's soft and it's bouncy enough. Yeah, that's all I can say. But regardless, we moved. We're going to make it work. Or is it the clothes I'm wearing? God have mercy.
Wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All that.
We've come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if it's something you would wear, okay? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you watched up until this point and you're not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, okay? Please join the family. Subscription is absolutely free, okay? Thank you. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, please don't forget to stay prayed up, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil, devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me for my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My life is forever gonna